Hi guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. So in my previous video, I have talked about what inflammation is and its effect on our body and what are the symptoms you should be looking for if you are feeling inflamed. Today I'll discuss about some of the things that you can do to improve your overall symptoms and what we do here at MyFitMed. So like I discussed in the past, improving your inflammation should be the primary goal when you're trying to improve your overall health and also when you're trying to improve your athletic performance. Some of the things as a lifestyle change you can do to improve your chronic inflammations are as follows. The first thing is diet. Start eating less processed food, eat anti-inflammatory diet and focus more on fruits and vegetables. Cut down on red meat and all the processed food. Second thing is quit smoking, avoid alcohol or stop drinking alcohol because that can lead to a lot of inflammation in your body. The third thing is regular exercise, strength training and improve your overall metabolism to lower body's inflammation. The fourth thing is maintain healthy body weight and improve your overall lean muscle mass. Next thing is improve sleep. There is no replacement for sleep. You have to get a quality sleep for overall energy, for lowering your inflammation and also to improve your lean muscle mass. And the last thing is try to lower the stress. Maybe practice meditation. These are the things you can do as a lifestyle change. So here at MyFitMed, we give antioxidant IV. We give you a very high dose of antioxidant, vitamins and minerals to improve your overall inflammation. We also give you HGH peptide like BPC, thymosin alpha. So these are the peptides that helps you lower inflammation in our body, and we'll discuss more in the separate video in detail about these peptides. And the last and most important thing that you can do is stem cell therapy or exosome therapy. It has shown to improve your overall body's inflammation and help you recover from the pain and soreness and all the inflammatory condition that you are suffering from. Subscribe for more videos and give us a thumbs up.